Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you 4 easy ways to get more Atlas bucks free on Atlas Earth or Atlas World. Hold on, wait. Atlas Earth, you already know what it is. And I already showed you one way, getting free 2 Atlas bucks every 18 minutes. So first things first, select a game on there and get money from different checkpoints. So after you play after a certain amount of minutes, after you beat like 11 levels on a certain game, you'll get money for Atlas bucks. So you can get more money that can reach you to the goal, to the top up here. And remember, once you get $5, you're able to redeem either to yourself or into the game. It's really cool. So you're able to buy land and you're able to get money each second for each plot of land that you have. Playing our different games, mobile apps will give you that. Atlas apps, you're able to get money again for downloading certain apps and, doing those type of tasks. It's like one of them is going on Netflix and subscribing. That's probably a task, or just installing Spotify and, buying a month subscription or something like that. Atlas apps will give you those type of plays. So that's another free way of getting Atlas bucks that you can also get closer to getting money. They have surveys. There's a lot of surveys on there. That's pretty cool. It's pretty dope. They have long surveys. They have short surveys, things like that. But they're not really accurate. Just know that. But you get the challenges done from Atlas, which is pretty cool. So you'll get even more Atlas bucks. And if you don't know, it's on the left side, hitting the clipboard, right? And from there, you're able to get Atlas bucks for doing certain things. Excuse me. And one of them is doing one of those missions. So, yeah, and you're able to get it from, you're able to complete these challenges by doing these as well, such as the travel perk. So we can go back here and yet again, survey for bucks. So you'll get the surveys, you'll be able to complete those. Atlas travel, you just got to go places. If they want you to go to Milwaukee, they want you to go to North Carolina, wherever. Go to Florida. Go to Florida. Is that one of the travel places? You'll get Atlas bucks for that. 4 ways to get more money on Atlas. We got a refer code here, and we're gonna get it done. And yeah, you already know what it is. They do have games on here that you can get money with too, along with the survey boost and things like that. So yeah, there's Atlas Arcade, 50%. There's Atlas Fishing. There's like little mini games that you have on here. Another way to also get money if you get top 1,000 place. It's not bad. It's not undoable. We've been able to win a couple of times, not top 1, but in the thousands, 500s. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's do it. If you have any other questions, let's get it. And yeah.